Hey, welcome back to Nash on the Dash. I am now walking around the old city gate. It's called, if I'm pronouncing it wrongly, I'm sorry. I think it's called Tha Phae Gate. It's one of the gates to enter the old city. I believe might be back in the days or might be now. So I'm still haven't. I woke up late today and do my own personal stuff. So I try to still find my lunch, my late lunch, and while walking, today's a good weather. So good weather means a good video for me. So come take a look. So you can see like people are taking iconic pictures over here by the gate, doing TikTok, But I don't have anyone to take photos with me, or people take photos of myself, so it doesn't matter. And I think like 11 August to 13 August, I saw like they have a event here in Chiang Mai, I believe, but I'm not sure what exactly it is. So this is still my favorite, and I haven't eaten this yet. So you can see here. People are taking photos, taking videos. It's actually an iconic scene when you think about it. Oh, it's so nice. I really want to take, but I got no one to take for me. But it's okay. Hi, buddies. Let's see here. I also want to walk like that also. Walk by the gate. It looks so nice, with the birds flying around you. But you know what? Oh, look at this, This is so many birds, my goodness. So I think what they do is they feed the birds to center, and then they will shout, so the birds will fly away, and they will look iconic. And they will look iconic in the photos, Amazing. My goodness, when I take a video of all this, personally I just feel like, oh my god, I feel so lonely going on this trip, looking at how people are spending time together. But you know what, I don't care. Yeah, so I'm still looking for my lunch right now, and I don't even know where to get a good lunch or a good cafe, so I'm just gonna walk aimlessly, and if I found one, maybe I will record my next video on that. So this is the gate to enter the old city. It's called the Tha Phae Gate, and yep, one more look for you guys. Okay, see ya.